the one thing that you did differently in order to get through Y Combinator and the process? Could you recall something in hindsight?
See, one thing what I did is I was watching so many of that startup school videos for no reason. Like, okay. I didn't know what to watch. That was during the COVID lockdown, me and my wife, we were stuck in Canada, and she was pregnant at the time, and we didn't know what to watch. Let's watch Y Combinator Startup School, and then I used to love it so much that I kept watching it. But Y Combinator we applied because my co-founder Vishnu, he told, like, he was a freelancer, so which means that time he was a freelancer, which means that whatever, every minute that he's away from his freelancing work, it means that he's losing some money. But it was not the same thing for me, because I had like a steady job, which was like where I did not think about it. Every month and salary on the road. But Vishnu chose to be a freelancer because he loved that autonomy. He loved that freedom that it comes with. So he chose, and he told, like, hey, like we need to do something about it. As இது நிறைய ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணோம்னா, எனக்கு இது நிறைய ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணோம்னா, something we have to do. And then we applied for YC. We never expected to clear or do anything with